My name's Robert Stetzel. I graduated from dental school at Indiana University in 1953. I started my private practice in 1957. My two sons, Mark and Eric, have followed me in the profession. Mark as a dentist, Eric in the supply business.
My name is Mark Robert Stetzel, and I've been in practice for 26 years in a family practice with my father. We have always strived to do a broad range of family practice activities, and our mission is always to just treat the patient first.
My name is Eric Stetzel. I'm the founder of Panoramic Corporation. Panoramic Corporation is the world leader in panoramic X-ray manufacturing and sales. Founded the company in 1986. We've been making machines ever since then.
I got away from the Marine Corps in October of 1956. I had a little money that I'd saved during service, and I talked to the president of the bank, and he said, "How much money do you need?" I said, "I probably need another $10,000 or $12,000. And he said, "Well, just come down and sign up for the bank. You don't need to do anything else." One of the things that I worried about was establishing a decent work ethic for them. I didn't talk to them much about dentistry or having them go into dentistry. I exposed them to the office, but I didn't push dentistry at all on them. I thought that kind of career decision should be theirs.
Coming out of dental school, I'd always thought that I'll come back and practice with Dad, and Dad and I have always had the kind of relationship we just felt like we've always gotten along well and we're compatible.
I always thought a career in dentistry would be a career I might want to pursue, but I also enjoyed business. I like to be a little bit more of an entrepreneur. And of course, I used to sell stuff to my dad. He was one of my customers, probably one of my better customers. I tried to sell him a panoramic machine. I would go, "Daddy, I got these panoramic lines. Would you be interested in a pan?"
The guys next door to us had a panoramic X-ray machine, and Dad said, "Well, if we ever want one of those things, we can just walk the patient next door and take one." And I worked out a deal with those doctors. We'll pay them $20 every time we take one, and we'll use their machine if we ever need it.
If I was a wholesale buyer, I said, "Look, Dad, I'll make you a deal. I'll buy the machine, put it in your office, you pay me, and you don't have to walk the patient across the street." He said, "Well, that sounds like I can't refuse that deal." So I put the machine in my dad's office, and he used it a lot more than he thought he would. Actually, he started paying me more than he thought he was going to pay me. So within a month, he said, "Look, Eric, I need to buy this." So I sold him the machine, and that's kind of where I got the idea that I just took a doc who wasn't in the market for a machine and got him a machine. And he realized that the benefit of the product, that he could utilize it in the practice. That's where I had the idea that this is a business model. If I can sell this to one dentist like this, a dentist not in the market, I can definitely sell it to dentists who are in the market and also create some market that isn't there. And so I had the idea at that point. It was a pretty easy sale. You just go to a doctor, "Look, I'll put a machine in your office, you pay me if you use it, if you don't use it, you don't pay me. You charge the patient, and everybody wins on it." Now, many doctors bought the machines. "I'm using it more than I thought I would, I'll buy it." So the model worked, the idea worked, and that basically is how the company started. We make the machine. I can walk downstairs and talk to the guy who screws it together. If there's any question about the machine, I have the answer to the question. We sell the product directly. We go up against other companies that sell 5, 6, 7, 8 different manufacturers and may sell one particular manufacturer's unit a year. We sell more of these machines than anybody in the country. We know everything there is to know about the machine. We also provide a service that I don't think can be compared to anywhere else in the country. We back it up 100%. We offer the machine on a rental basis. No company can do that. We put all the burden is on us to make sure that product performs. If it doesn't, it comes back to us. Plus, on top of that, you would want to compare the images, and that's the output. The output of the product is what you're really looking at. You can take our X-ray with any other X-ray, and you'll see that our image is as good, if not better, than any other product, any other manufacturer out there. We make it easier for our customers to do business with us than anybody else. And I think my brother and my dad made it easier for their patients to be dental patients for them. I mean, they felt comfortable coming in, they felt confident coming in, and we would do the same thing with our dentist customers. I mean, we want them to know that doing business with Panoramic is easy.